Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be continuing our palette journey, and if you're new to this channel and don't know what that means, I'm using every single palette that I own to create a look for you guys. So today we are using the Thebriabeauty Desert Sunset palette. We are also going to be featuring a new product in this video as well, and that is the Ciate London Lustre Creme Eyeshadows. I'm going to be using 2 of these today, but I want to swatch all 4 of these for you guys so you guys can see just how gorgeous these really are. Okay, so the 2 that I'm going to be using on my eyes today are called Eclectic and Cupid. Let's go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So here is Eclectic. Wow. Here is Cupid. Wow, wow, wow. Gorgeous. The other 2 that I have here are Ice and Ultraviolet. So here is Ultraviolet. Super pretty. Look at the way it catches the light. Oh my gosh. These are perfect for like a party or New Year's Eve. And here is Ice. And it is more of a white, silvery, icy shade. So there are all of the Ciate London Lustre Creme Shadows swatched, and they are just so stunning. But yeah, you guys, if you would like to see how I got this look using those cream shadows as well as the Thebriabeauty Desert Sunset palette, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting out with the shade Desert Coral, and I'm just taking that towards the front of the eye and really blending it and blowing it out. Now I'm taking the shade Sedona and just placing that in my crease towards the back of the eye. All right, so now I'm taking the tiniest bit of Mesquite and placing that on the outer corner of my eye. So now I'm taking the Ciate London Lustre Creme Eyeshadow in the shade Eclectic, and I'm just placing that right on the center of my lid. And then we're gonna go in with Cupid, and that's gonna go towards the front of the eye. But I want you guys to see how pigmented this is. So now I'm literally just gonna do some graphic liner and add some gems, and we will be done with this look. For the graphic liner, I am using this Tint Phantom liner as well as some of the Lime Crime Suede Berry liquid lipstick, and then I'm just going to apply gems and lashes. And for my lashes today are the Beat Gang lashes in the style Vixen. And here is the final look. Well, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.